floor to the World Uyghur Congress.
Thank you. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm speaking today on behalf of the World Uyghur Congress. World Uyghur Congress protects Uyghurs' rights globally. The right to freedom of assembly and association is among most important and basic human rights. My people, Uyghurs, have long history being denied this right to peaceful assembly and association inside and outside of China for decades. Any attempts for the Uyghur people peaceful assembly have been met with violation and brutality. Every time Uyghurs try to demonstrate, they have been massacred, enforced disappearance, and other violations. In July 5, 2009, a peaceful demonstration in Urumqi bloody crackdown by the Chinese authority. Today, around 3 million Uyghurs are suffering. Uyghur, Kazakh, Kyrgyz, and Uzbek are suffering 21st century concentration camp. Now, outside the border of China, in the European Union and the OECD member states, the Uyghur people still not able to fully enjoy the basic right, despite facts that we are resident or citizen OECD member state. We are threatened by the Chinese government and ordered to not participate and demonstrate or in other human rights activism. On July 26, 2017, I personally was detained in Rome by Italian police shortly before I speak at the Italian Senate at the press conference. At every demonstration in Europe, even in Brussels, heart of the European Union, the Chinese government sent the people to take the photos of the protesters' face in order to detain, punished by the family members of the protesters still living in China. In April 2017, Chinese embassy even paid students from Belgian University 150 euro to each to organize an illegal counter-protesters. Despite besides effort, national authority or right of freedom expressions being violated by Chinese government in Europe. In Central Asia, particularly Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Uzbekistan, it is impossible for the Uyghur citizen to exercise this right at all. Due to intensive pressure from the Chinese government, Uyghur risk arrest or further punishment if they to try organize a demonstration. Besides this, Uyghur refugees and asylum seekers forced deported to the China for the decades. It is vital OECD member states not allow China to deny their own citizen right to freedom, assembly, and association. We call all member states to strongly condemn attempts by Chinese government and urge them to protect its basic right, their residence on the citizen from the threat and the harassment. OECD member states must protect lives and rights of all people within their borders. Thank you.